Welcome to IB.
Now let's have the net income. So for the net income, these are the take-home pay after all the deductions. So the formula is gross income minus the sum of tax, SHS, PhilHealth, and pag-ibig. So for example, assume employee with monthly salary of 20,000 pesos. So SSS, which is 5% of the monthly salary of the employee, and for the PhilHealth, it could be 2.5. The rate is 2.5% of the monthly salary of the employee, and for the pag-ibig, it is 2% of the monthly salary, capped at 200 pesos. Because in pag-ibig, I will discuss it in the next video. If your monthly salary is greater than 10,000 pesos, you will have a 200 pesos of contribution. So when it comes to the withholding tax, assume that employee is single with no dependents based on the train law. No tax for less than or equal to 20,823 per month. Don't worry because I'm going to discuss it in our next video. I'm just going to show you how net income works. Alright. So here, for example, so what is the 5% of 20,000? We have 1,000. And the 2.5% of 20, we have 500. And up at 10,000 pesos, since in pag-ibig, it will always be 200 if it's greater than 10,000. So meaning, you will be less 200. Again, this is for under employee. So the total deductions of this employee is 1,700 pesos. So we are going to deduct the deductions to our gross income. So the answer is 18,300. That's how to do it. Okay, now it's your turn. Would you mind to do this? For 2 minutes. Your timer starts now. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Alright, 35 seconds. Okay, your time is up. There you go. Alright, so let's proceed and check it out. Okay, so here, your monthly salary is 35,000 pesos. Again, your monthly salary is 35,000 pesos. Now let's get your SSS. So it is the 5% of your monthly salary. So 25,000 times 0.05. The answer is 1,750. In our next video, I'm going to show you the table and the SSS, same with the field health, like if you can withholding tax. I'm going to explain everything to you. And for the field health, so for field health, the employee share is 2.5% and the employer share is also 2.5%, which is a total of 5%. Since you are an employee here in the problem, we will compute it as 2.5%. So for again, field health, we have 25,000 times 2.5%. So the answer is 875 pesos. Now let's have the pag-ibig. So for pag-ibig, if your monthly salary is greater than 10,000 pesos, you will have a deduction of 200 since your monthly salary, I'm sorry, it must be 35, is 35,000 pesos. So meaning you will have an employee share of 200 already. Why? Because it is greater than 10,000. Your 35,000 pesos is greater than 10,000. Why? Because your monthly salary is greater than 10,000. In the next video, I'm going to discuss it further. Now, when it comes to the withholding tax based on plain law, since it is larger than 33,333, so we need to deduct your monthly salary times minus 33,333. And after that, multiply the difference by 20% because it was being said that we need to compute for 20% of axis over 33,333. So multiply it by 20%. Okay, let's calculate it. 35,000 minus 33,333. 1,667 times 20.20. Okay, so the answer is 30.4. Okay, so those are the deductions. Now let's compute for the net income. Again, for the net income, our gross income is, for the monthly salary, is 35,000 pesos minus all the deductions. We have 1,750 pesos, and then your bill help, and then your pag-ibig 200, and then your withholding tax. Again, for the SHS, PhilHealth, pag-ibig, withholding tax, I'm going to discuss it in our next video so that you can understand all the concepts. Okay, so 35,000 minus all deductions is equal to 3,159. So all your deduction is 3,159.4. So your net income will be 31,840.6 pesos. Okay. Alright, let's go back. The summary, these are the formula that you need to memorize. The overtime pay, gross income, and